Hi, my friends. We're going to do some more 10 friends. So there's hearts in the jar that match the first add end, and we have to find out what the missing add end is. So we're going to draw circles in the jar to make 10. So if I have 4, I draw 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, how many circles did I draw? You're right, 6. I drew 6. Okay, so now on the next one, I have 6 hearts in the jar. So let's go 7, 8, 9, 10. How many hearts or circles did I draw? 4, good. Oh, and those are flip-flop facts because this one's 4 plus 6 and this one's 6 plus 4. Good. Okay, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many circles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Okay, this one is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I drew 5. Good. So I want you to press pause and finish this side of the paper and then push play again and go on to the back side. Okay, now we have some more addition facts plus 2. So I'll do the first couple of rows with you, and then you can decide if you like using the number line or the dots. Okay, so if I want to use the dot strategy, I just go 4, 5, 6, and the answer is 6. So 6, 7, 8, and the answer is 8. 9, 10, 11, like this. And I'll do one more row, and then you can do the rest. 3, 4, 5. Oh, we know that one. That one's 3 because it's just the next number. And 2 plus 2, that's 4. 7, 8, 9. Good job. Go ahead and finish the rest and then raise your hand for your teacher to check.